So this video is going to be focused on people who are going to professional school. Now that could be law school, medical school, dental school, professional training that can often be high pressure, high stakes, a lot of demands. One of the things that I think may be helpful to consider when you're in this group is people tend to put a lot of pressure and expectations on themselves. A lot of times, some of our most difficult things that we struggle with is very high, unrealistic, even like perfectionistic expectations. I expect to have all good grades or do well in every class. And it's easy to get caught up in comparing yourself to your colleagues or other people in your program. And the thing that I think that may be helpful to remember is, first of all, try to identify very specifically, what do I actually want? What do I want out of this program? What kind of career am I going for? And what's that going to take? Does it mean I need to network with people? Does it mean maybe I could use a tutor to get help with a particular class? What you want to do is the more you can identify specifically what you're looking to accomplish and be realistic with yourself, the more likely you're going to get there. Again, it's easy to get caught up in, I want to do a perfect job, or I want to never be disappointed. But it's probably much more realistic to think, let me set some realistic goals, let me really pursue them, and if I need help along the way, that's just a way to kind of get me down that path towards that journey. So hopefully that'll help you.